Hello my creative friends and welcome to Fatema's Art Show. Today I'm going to show you how to make these beautiful leaf imprints. And first of all, I am using Plaster Bandage, and sometimes they call this mud rock, and me and my children went on a little hunt and found a selection of leaves in our garden. You can experiment with many different types of leaves if you would like. And first thing I need to do is cut my bandage strips, so I'm just cutting them into sort of smaller pieces, and I am going to be putting them into warm water and slowly applying them on the leaf. And then I'm just going to cover as much as I can of the leaves with the bandage. And once I do that, I want to blend it in. I'm getting my daughter to help me with this, and she's just going to help me blend in everything and make sure that it's nice and smooth on the top. Once it's dry, you want to remove the leaves, and I'm carefully removing each leaf, and then I'll slowly see sort of the magic happen and see the imprints onto the plaster, which is beautiful. And you might want to leave it at that. You might like what you see, and you might not want to add any color or paint or anything like that. It's entirely up to you, or you might want to paint it with one single color. My son is helping me here as well, pick off the leaves. They absolutely love doing this bit. And you can see the result. It's absolutely beautiful. I love this leaf. This leaf was from my tomato plant actually, and it gives a really nice effect. And then I'm going to be using some paint, and I'm using a bit of paint with a brush, dabbing it really dry. Don't apply too much paint because you don't want it to go into the grooves, and then you slowly want to apply it on the surface. And I'm experimenting with lots of different colors. I'm using some reds and greens, different tones of greens actually, and slowly and gently applying them on the surface. Once you've done that, you can cut around the leaf if you prefer, or you can keep it as it is. And it's a lovely exploration of leaves and nature, and you get some really good results. Thank you very much for watching. Take good care of yourself as always. Bye bye.